Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your device and browser or the YouTube Music app are ready. Open a browser tab in incognito or private mode. This prevents account prompts and keeps cookies minimal. Once done, navigate to Music. YouTube. Calm or launch the app and decline sign-in when prompted. You want an anonymous session, so avoid connecting Google services. If playback asks for location or permissions, allow temporarily. This lets the player load region-specific content and ensures smooth streaming without registering an account. Now focus on locating music without an account. Type artist, song, or playlist into the search bar and press enter. Once results appear, pick streams labeled official or long-form mixes to avoid interruptions. Make sure to use the app or web queue feature. Select three-dot menu and choose Add to Queue rather than Save, because Save requires an account. Also, use generated mixes or radio from a song to keep playback continuous. Those work in anonymous sessions and build a longer listening session automatically. To finish, adjust playback quality and headphone settings for a stable stream. Lower quality if buffering occurs. If ads or interruptions block playback, refresh the page or reopen incognito. Do not rely on account-only ad blockers. Once finished, close the private window to clear session data. If playback fails, try requeuing the track, switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or clearing cache in a normal window, and then opening a fresh incognito session. This single troubleshooting tip usually restores anonymous playback quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.